back to Deano Outdoors. In this video, we're going to be down at the Wausau downtown airport. We got an air show, drone show, and later on some fireworks. So let's stick around and check it out, guys. I'm here with my boy here and my bride.
Right down on the deck, ladies and gentlemen, that is Michael Vacton, and that is the extra 300. And now as he approaches the airshow center, right on the deck, he brings the nose up aggressively, rolls to the inverted, and now has to push forward on the stick to climb while upside down. Ladies and gentlemen, what an entry! Let's say hello to Mike Vacton. Now as we watch Mike come back on around, diving back into the right end zone, you can hear the howl of that three-bladed propeller as it accelerates down in that right end zone. He powers that German design to build superplane, the extra 300 into the vertical. Hesitation roll going straight up, 5 points of a 4-point hesitation roll. Straight up, hangs it out to dry. And now he slides it out, giving you a standing on the top rudder there as he carves a shark's tooth in the sky. Wiring it back up again as he comes right back at us here from airshow right. Airspeed winds up again as he goes into the right end zone. Powers it up as he goes airshow left. Right on up, snap roll once, twice, and exits airshow left. Now we go out here off that left side, turns back on around. Now the nose comes back down again, bring the airplane down into the airshow aerobatic area from our left end zone. Now as we watch it extend out there up into that right side, he powers the airplane right on around. A series of rolls down our show line, there's 3. Let's see there, he's got 4. Room for 5 as he goes right on out there at the 5-roll sequence there of Mike Vacton. I'll tell you what, Michael really wears this airplane out as we watch him out there in that right end zone. Comes across the top, does a nice aggressive wing over, nose comes down as he comes right back at us here from our right end zone. Capping it off, airspeed building up dramatically off that right side. Now bringing it right down here, you can see he's down there below the treetops, extending out there from less than 10 feet off the ground, rolls to the inverted, and now from upside down, flies right down our show line, 15 feet off the ground, pushes forward on the stick. Look at that, folks, all the force of nature trying to say, Mike, you get out. The only thing holding him in are those seat belts and shoulder harnesses, and you know they can't be on tight enough. Now as we watch him slide right back down our show line here off of airshow right, setting up out there for the next portion of his airshow demonstration. Now as we watch him extend in the right end zone. Once again, look at that doing the hesitation roll, stopping it at the inverted, lines it back up. Now he finishes back, winding back to the other direction. As you watch him extend out there off of air. All right, as you watch coming down our show line right now, we're showing about 180, 190 miles an hour as Michael comes right down our show line, right down on the deck. Powers the airplane on a night bench. Look at that, folks. Night bench flight right there. The wings doing nothing other than looking pretty. The elevators are acting like the rudders acting like the elevators, and the fuselage is providing all the lift. That is the 90-degree turn on the night bench. Now as you watch Michael reposition on drop. Look at that, folks. Right now, you are watching something that just shouldn't be done. He is actually rolling the airplane to the left, but it is turning to the right. Mike, that just ain't supposed to be able to be done. Nice view there. They got their smoke coming out. Winds it up again out there with a double snap rolls. He recovers, inverted, and now pushes forward on the stick to stop it. It comes right back at us here by rear snap. Now that goes down. Airspeed winding up again. 400 Now as we watch Skip goes into the vertical, comes across the top, goes point into the sky. As he comes across top, he unwinds it again. Look at that double snap roll. Right around Scotland and inverted. on everything. They have spread them apart 40 feet. The wingspan of Prometheus is 24 feet. You'll notice those ribbons. The top ribbon is approximately 15 feet off the ground. They look like they're nice and straight. If his Deano's got him where he wants him, let's watch. He comes right down on the deck. Let's watch right now. Let's see on this pass. Skip tells us he's going to attempt to cut the top ribbon and the top ribbon only. So let's watch on your first show right. Top ribbon only. And he's gonna what? He's gonna be flying upside down. Okay, let's watch on your off of air show right as he comes through. He falls to the inverted. He's upside down right now. Let's watch. Can he get over the top ribbon? Of the Aerobatics team from the figure 4 to the Skyman formation. As they come across to the inverted, you'll notice Jimmy is sliding into position. Let's hear for the Aeroshow team. Watch him coming back in right now. You're going to get a real nice floating pass opportunity from the team as they wind it up on your off air show left. As Spartan will bring the team right back in. Look at that overlap of the wings there of the from the lead aircraft to his wingman. Right out there. Main arms. Aeroshow Aerobatic team. Look at that, folks. They come right down our show line here.
heard you crying loud. All the way across town, you've been searching for that someone, and it's me out on the prowl. As you sit around feeling sorry for yourself. So don't get lonely now. And dry your whining eyes. I'm just hoping for the moments these are my make not
You ready to win something? Let's do this. Yeah. Woo! All this at the Wings Over Wausau. If you guys are in the area, stop on down next year.
There are two sections because they come down our show line. The lead section, of course, is our lead pilot. That's Mark Henley out of Destin, Florida. And on his wing, that's Brian Reagan out of Alexandria, Louisiana. And right behind your 2023 Aerobatics
On September the 11th, enemies of freedom committed an act of war against our country. Americans have known wars, but for the past 136 years,
cool looking. Sky is glowing. Welcome to Wings Over Wausau. Oh.
I knew there was one more.
Well, thanks for joining me today, Wings Over Wausau. I'm here with my family. And I hope you guys enjoyed the show as much as we did. Thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.
Slack pilot is, ladies and gentlemen, that is known throughout the world for their incredible formation flying. They are the Aero.